all of you. This is Divya Soni from RPIT campus, Pastada Karnal, a nursing tutor in the nursing department. Today we'll discuss about the topic that is the schizophrenia. Schizophrenia literally means the fragmented mind. Schizophrenia is one of the most complex, chronic, and the challenging of the psychiatric disorder that affect how a person thinks, feels, and behaves. Etiology: while the many factors have been associated with developing schizophrenia, including genetics, early environment, neurobiology, and the psychology and social processes, etc., the exact cause of the disease is unknown. Types of the schizophrenia: that is the paranoid schizophrenia, common forms of the schizophrenia, prominent hallucinations and or delusions may develop at the later age. That of other types of the schizophrenia, speech and the emotion may be affected at the risk of the suicidal and the violent behavior under the influence of the delusion. Schizophrenic schizophrenia, that is a disorganized schizophrenia, behavior is disorganized and without purpose throughout the disorganized, difficult to understand by the others. Pranks, giggling, health complaints, grimsling, and the memorism are the common. Delusion and hallucination are the faulting. Usually develop between the 15 to 25. Signs and symptoms of the schizophrenia: positive symptom, delusion, false beliefs that are not based in the reality, hallucination involving the same of the hearing things that don't exist, disorganized speech and the thinking, catatonia, purpose, abnormal motor activity or the aggressive behavior. Cognitive symptom, that is the pure executive functioning, unable to understand the information to make decision. Poor working memory, that is an ability to use the information immediately after the learning. Negative symptom like fault affect, alogia, reduced speech, evolution, inability to being the sustain activities, anhedonia, inability to experience pleasure, associated without withdrawal from the social contact or etc. Complication: depression, anxiety, and the suicide, substance abuse, smoking, etc. Violence and the self injury. Diagnosis of the schizophrenia, that is the first diagnosis. सबसे पहले diagnosis उसकी priority wise रखेंगे. सबसे पहले priority diagnostic criteria for the schizophrenia, it include the criteria diagnostic statistical manual of the mental disorder like published by the American Psychiatric Association. Medical history लेंगे, blood test and the imaging एक्सेट्रा, ये सब BC एक्सेट्रा, CT स्कैन करेंगे. मैनेजमेंट: हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन करेंगे अगर वो ज़्यादा सीवियर कंडीशन में है तो. ड्यूरिंग द क्राइसिस पीरियड ऑफ द टाइम्स ऑफ द सीवियर सिम्टम, हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन में बी नेसेसरी फॉर द इंश्योर द सेफ्टी, प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन, adequate sleep and the basic hygiene, and the psychosocial intervention एक्सेट्रा, लाइक उसको इंडिविजुअल थेरेपी देंगे, सोशल स्किल थेरेपी देंगे, उसको फैमिली थेरेपी देंगे, वोकेशनल रिहेबिलिटेशन एंड द सपोर्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट देंगे, फैमिली थेरेपी एक्सेट्रा. और इलेक्ट्रो कंपल्सिव थेरेपी भी देंगे अगर नेसेसरी होगा तो, लाइक द ECT थेरेपी. ECT may be help for the someone to also has the depression. The indicates of the ECG schizophrenia are catatonic stupor, acute exhaustion or risk of the suicide, homicide and the danger of the physical assault. Cognitive behavior therapy देंगे. CBT aims to help to identify the thinking pattern that are causing to have the unwanted feeling and the behavior, and learn to replace this thinking more realistic and the usual thoughts. Most people require between the 8 and 20 sessions of the CBT, cognitive behavior therapy, and the space between to 6 to 12 months. CBT session usually last for about the 1 hour. दिस इज़ क्लिनिकल मैनेजमेंट भी देंगे अगर नेसेसरी होगा तो, एक्यूट एंड उसके क्रॉनिक बिहेवियर के हिसाब से. थैंक यू. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट schizophrenia. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू सो मच.